Bit of a manic one today. I'm trying to see if I can get a few people to do some interviews on their car. Let's see how that goes. So I'm going to talk to the owner of the Cupra R. Let's see what he's got under the hood. So we've got Rahim with his Cupra R. He's going to give us a quick insight over his car. Go ahead, tell us about your car.
Sat Leon Cupra R, it's 180, had it for a while, poured a lot of money into it. As you can tell, it's not standard whatsoever. She's my little baby. She's getting forged soon, so fingers crossed. Should be running like 400-500 brake. Cold feed induction, AirTech front mount with all the hard pipe kit. I've done most of the usual deletes, like the secondary air injection delete. I've got a catch can fitted that vents the atmosphere, 3-inch oversized tip, E-baffle charge pipe. I've got changed most of the boost pipes to red. I've got braided fuel lines, 4-bar pressure regulator. I've just chucked in a new set of injectors and genuine coil packs. And she's just been mapped to stage 2. She's pushing 300 brake with 280 foot-pounds of torque.
It's quite a lot of power. What kind of handling mods have you done so far?
Handling mods is currently on coilovers. They're going to get changed to Coney shocks with E-back springs, just because I don't like the feel of coilovers anymore. Hopefully, I've polybushed the dog mount. I'm going to put polybush top mounts on and do all the lower arm bushes and everything like that.
Nice, nice. What kind of plans have you got for the future? So
plans for the future in the next 12 months. Hopefully GT30, full forged engine, rods, the whole lot. Pushing between 450 to 5s. That's the goal. Quaif diff, recon the box. So we'll see where we get to.
Nice. Thank you very much.
No worries.